What is up guys, it's Mabeen here, and today we are going to be taking a look at what's inside a fake Wii Nunchuck. So let's get started. Okay, so I got this original Wii Nunchuck with my Wii, if you've been seeing on my Instagram, and this is actually original, just so you know. It has like the Nintendo logo and everything on it. I don't know how to show you. There you go, and like, you know, it feels original, it doesn't feel cheap. And this one, like, here in the UK we have a store called CEX, and they had a Wii Nunchuck for 50p, and I was like, okay, you know what, I might as well grab one because I've only got one. And this is what I've got, so I was just thinking, okay, why would I want to get this? But then I thought, okay, probably I could just, like, you know, take it apart, get a new shell and stick it on there. So I just want to see what's the difference inside both of them. So here's original, here's a fake, and I just looked inside, and you probably won't be able to see this in the video, but it had this fake one has Phillips screws, and this one has Triumph, and I've got both of the screwdrivers. So let's just start. So this Wii Nunchuck, it works perfectly, but for some reason it's an actual fake controller. It's not like as if it was a bundle from a game. It came with a Wii remote as well, and that didn't look any better. Anyways, let's just take this off. Okay, I need something to wedge under there. Whatever. I'll just probably use one of these. No? Okay, I just have to yank it off then. Anyways, here is what is inside. So first of all, cheap plastic buttons that just wobble in there. And this is the board. This is actually all it is, and then all of these really thin wire that goes to this, and this is basically about it. So here is the joystick. Yeah, here's a joystick. I don't know if this is original or a fake one. I don't know if you can see, but it says Wii Nunchuck Q Edition. Now I searched this up on the internet and I didn't find anything. So yeah, here's that, and then here's really cheap buttons. You can even plastic buttons, you can even hear it. And here is this as well, the shell. And I tried scraping the thing off, and it's just terrible. It's just terrible. This plastic doesn't even feel nice. Here's my original Wii Nunchucks. Let's take this apart, and this uses tri-wing, so and the reason why I bought this screwdriver is because I have a Nintendo DS Lite, and it's not working properly. It's having that problem where the fuse gets blown out, and then, you know, it doesn't turn on or anything, and you can't see anything on the screen. So I also ordered a soldering iron. Oh, I'm holding upside down. I ordered a soldering iron, and it just came today, so get ready to see an unboxing of that. I didn't open it or anything, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Hopefully I can get fuses and first of all learn how to solder. I've only learned just a bit, like a little bit from school, from my technology class. So okay, I could just use a flat tip screwdriver, see if that helps. Oh, here you are. There you go. And that's very dirty, I know. I'll probably give it a wash. And okay, yeah, that's even worse. Like, you could just look at it. I've only cleaned the outside and stuff. But yeah, here is the board on this one. First of all, it looks way better. It's none of this rubbish right here. It actually looks like a motherboard. And yeah, this is basically about it. So the joystick on this one's a bit loose. Yeah. And yeah, this one comes off easily. The joystick feels solid, where on the fake one it was solid, but it didn't have the same feeling, if you get what I mean. It felt a bit like, you know, wobbly and that kind of stuff, and yeah, that's absolutely terrible. It's very dirty. So I've got all of those taken apart, so put that aside. That can get lost. I'll give that a wash later, not now, like off video or something like that. But yeah, as you can see, it doesn't say anything about being a Nunchuck Q edition whatever on this motherboard, and it uses like a proper chip. As you can see, a lot of fake motherboards or whatever, fake game cartridges always have this black thing on it. I don't know what it is, like plastic or rubber or something like that, I don't know. But yeah, other than that, that's what's inside of the Nunchuck itself. Now what I'm going to do is put all of this back together, and obviously I'm going to give this a wash after, but let's put all of this back together and talk about the feel and the buttons and that kind of stuff. Okay, so I have finished putting the screws and put everything back together, and so let's talk about the buttons now. So and the joysticks, of course. So basically, the real one feels a bit better, you know, but this one feels really cheap. It doesn't have the rubbery feel, but this one does, you know. It's like quite grippy, but this one is just like, you know, it doesn't feel very nice. But yeah, the C and Z buttons, this one, as you can, I don't know if you can hear, they feel very good. Like yeah, they feel very good. The buttons don't wobble as much, and they have a stiff kind of springiness, if you get what I mean. But this one, it doesn't feel very nice. Like if you can shake it, you can hear it just moving around in there. Yeah, that doesn't sound very nice. And I don't even know what I'm gonna be doing with this nunchuck. Like I've already got one, and this is way better, to be honest. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing with this one. I'm probably just gonna take it apart, and with the soldering iron that I just got, I'm probably just gonna practice a bunch of stuff on it. Stay tuned, because in the next episode I'll be unboxing this, and I probably will test it, and hopefully I don't get burnt. Pray for me, innit? My soldering skills are the worst. I haven't soldered in like a year. Cause I've only used a soldering iron once in my life, and that was only for a project in school, and everyone had to do it. I can't remember honestly, because it was a year ago. Okay, so I'm done screwing everything in, and that's basically about it. Again, this was a short video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Subscribe, you know, all of that stuff, you know the drill. Also, someone was about to come today and do this with me. His name is Abiz Reviews, and he's one of my best friends, you know. He was meant to come over and do the video with me, but unfortunately he was unable to, so I had to do this myself. So hopefully on this channel we do a collaboration. Subscribe to him, you know. He does a lot of Hoover videos. Thank you guys very much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.